When a footballer kicks a ball into the air, its path forms a curve called a parabola. Quadratic equations describe this curve. Today, let's learn to solve them. A quadratic equation has the form x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The highest power of x is 2. That squared term is what makes it quadratic. To solve by factoring, we find two numbers that multiply to give 6 and add to give 5. Those numbers are 2 and 3, so we write two brackets. If two things multiply to give 0, one of them must be 0. So x plus 2 equals 0 gives x equals negative 2. X plus 3 equals 0 gives x equals negative 3. Example 1. Solve x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. We need two numbers that multiply to 12 and add to negative 7. Think. Negative 3 times negative 4 is 12. We factor as x minus 3 times x minus 4 equals 0. So x equals 3 or x equals 4. See how the parabola crosses the x-axis at these two roots. Some equations don't factor neatly. We use the quadratic formula, x equals negative b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. Example 2. Solve 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals 0. Here a is 2, b is 3, c is negative 5. Let's substitute into the formula carefully. b squared minus 4ac gives 9 plus 40, which is 49. Square root of 49 is 7. So x equals 1 or x equals negative 5 over 2. Always find both solutions. Common mistake. If x squared equals 9, many students write only x equals 3. Wrong. X can also be negative 3. A quadratic equation always has up to two solutions. Remember, factor first, formula if stuck. Step 1. Try factoring. Step 2. If it won't factor, use the quadratic formula. Always check for two solutions. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com to access notes, exercises, and past paper solutions. See you next time.